For millions of refugees around the world, survival is not just about escaping conflict or war, but it's about battling the everyday crises that come after. Being forced to flee your home, leaving behind everything you've ever known. Now imagine spending 10 to 20 years trapped in a cycle of struggle where even the most basic human need, clean water, is a daily struggle. My name is Martin Nkoyi Beele. I'm a refugee, a humanitarian, an innovator, and a human rights defender. Also the founder and executive director of Oasis World Vision, an organization that empowers marginalized communities through sustainable solutions and advocacy, based in Nakivale Refugee Camp, Uganda. Every single day, refugee women, young girls, children walk for miles under the scorching sun in search of safe, clean drinking water, only to drink from contaminated streams, stagnant pools. Many never make it to adulthood. Waterborne diseases kill thousands of refugee children under the age of 10 every year. And even when night falls, there's no light. Darkness brings danger, assault, theft, rape, and mosquitoes relentlessly spreading malaria, which is another silent killer. This is not just a crisis. This is a death sentence. But I refuse to accept this fate. This is why I came up with the REFUEGUARD kit, a multifunctional, all-in-one, life-saving solution designed for refugees by a refugee. At the core of this innovation is a 20-liter jerrycan equipped with an advanced filtration system, a solar-powered LED light, and a natural mosquito-repellent lotion. A single multifunctional tool that not only provides safe drinking water, but also brings light to those in darkness and prevent malaria. With a filtration technology that purifies up to 20,000 liters of water, ensuring every drop is safe and free from deadly contaminants. With a built-in solar-powered LED system that automatically charges during the day, providing hours of bright and sustainable lighting at night, enhancing security and reducing the risk of rape, theft, and attacks in refugees' households, complemented by natural mosquito-repellent lotion that shields refugees from malaria, a disease that continues to claim thousands of lives in refugee camps. The REFUEGUARD kit is more than just a product, it's a chance to survive. Joining the OSV Fellowship is not just an opportunity, it's a responsibility. Because being a refugee should not mean a lifetime of suffering. As human beings, we must care for each other and we must act now. This is my fight and this is all our fight. Are you ready to change lives? Because I am. So together, let's build a future where no refugee is left behind. Thank you.